Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Xiaoyu from Tianjin University. It's my honor to be here for the meeting. Today, I would like to share my report about plasmonic nanoparticles based flexible microstrip pattern for cellular behavior regulation and localized pH detection. In the first part, I will introduce the background of cell regulation and detection. After that, I will show the process of microstrip pattern fabrication and our cell experiments. And then, I will discuss my experimental results in more detail. So let's begin with the first part. Since the first research of regulating cells through design topography on silicon substrates, a great amount of investigations have been published on the effect of micro or nano patterns on cells and employed findings to control cell behaviors. For example, pattern of gonadal array could induce the partial EMT. Nanovirus islands could stimulate natural killer cells to enhance their cytotoxicity. Nanofibers can guide the nerve cell and promote neural extension. And the narrow microchannel can induce MAT gradually. These phenomena show that cellular behavior can be regulated by micro or nano pattern. Although cell regulation by micro and nano pattern has been delineated in plenty of studies, in-depth investigations of microenvironment changes in regulated cells, such as pH level, are still insufficient. However, pH level is of vital importance for cellular behaviors, and it varies with cell phenotypes. For example, cellular pH will change during cell proliferation, and cancer cells are more acidic. Thus, measuring cellular pH is helpful to reveal the essence of cellular response, which are evoked by micro or nano patterns. Nowadays, various methods have been developed for pH sensing, among which surface-enhanced Raman scattering has attracted great attention due to its low destructiveness, short-term response, and high sensitivity. By modifying a pH-sensitive molecule such as 4-MPY on a third substrate, whose Raman characteristic peaks change upon protonation or deprotonation, the pH variation can be detected. So this work aims at a dual functional platform, which can build a bridge between cell regulation by micro or nano structures and a single cell level pH detection by cells. This slide shows the process of the fabrication of our dual functional platform and the cell experiments. Due to biocompatibility, transparency, stable physical and chemical properties, PDMS material is selected for the micro pattern. Briefly, the PDMS microstrip pattern was fabricated by standard soft lithography method. After that, gold nanorods were introduced onto the surface of the PDMS, and the final from the gold nanorods assembly could serve as a third substrate for source detection with the help of 4-MPY modification. Finally, HeLa cells are seeded on the plasmonic micro pattern, which realize cell regulation and localized pH detection simultaneously. These are the optical microscopy images of silicon masters. The unmodified PDMS micro pattern and the plasmonic PDMS micro pattern with gold nanorods modification. The gold nanorods used in our work has the extinction peak at 785 nanometer, overlapping with the extinction wavelength of Raman scattering, which may realize the highest source enhancement. And the same image of the gold nanorods demonstrates their aspect ratio is 3.1 with high homogeneity. Due to the plasmon excitation and the electron transfer effect of gold nanorod assembly, the Raman signal of 4-MPY has greatly enhanced. The red line shows the source signal of 4-MPY with gold nanorods modification, whose Raman characteristics peaks can be distinguished clearly. And in an acidic situation, the third spectrum of 4-MPY has a higher intensity in a pyrimidine ring breathing vibration at about 1010 inverse centimeter. In an alkaline condition, the intensity of carbon-sulfur bond at about 1100 inverse centimeter becomes stronger. To calibrate the source-based pH sensor, a series of source spectra were collected at various pH values ranging from 6 to 8. The Raman intensity ratio between carbon-sulfur band and the pyrimidine ring of 4 mpy exhibits directly proportional to the pH level. So pH variation can be distinguished by the differences of Raman intensity ratio. To investigate the influence of surface topography on cell growth, morphology, alignment, and further pH level variation, HeLa cells are seated on the surface of about prepared nanorods and 4 mpy modified plasmonic microstrip pattern. After 48 hours cultured on the strip microstructure, HeLa cells show an elongated shape and have a direction along the strip pattern due to the topography restricted growth environment. In contrast, the cells cultured on the unpatterned counterpart exhibit an irregular polygonal shape. These results confirm that cell can respond to topographical cues, leading to cell orientation and morphology transition. To obtain an in-depth understanding of the cellular response mechanism, the cell spectra of regulated cells cultured on the patterned surface, as well as unregulated counterparts spread on the unpatterned substrates were collected. All cell spectra are normalized by the max intensity to avoid the influence of enhancement factor of different substrates. The average cell spectra of 15 regulated cells and corresponding Raman intensity ratio between 1100 inverse centimeter and 1010 inverse centimeter is shown in red, and the unregulated cells is in black. Compared to the unregulated cells, the regulated ones have a lower average Raman intensity ratio, revealing that the microenvironment surrounding the elongated regulated cells is more acidic. Additionally, the range of regulated cells is larger, illustrating a greater variation on the cells. Further investigation about the correlation between feature size or PDMS pattern, as well as cellular behavior and the changes of microenvironment is ongoing. In conclusion, a dual functional platform of cell regulation and localized pH detection is achieved by the plasmonic microstrip pattern, and the regulated cells have an elongated shape along the restricted strip micro pattern. Meanwhile, the results of source-based pH detection demonstrates that the regulated cells have a lower pH value. This is my report, and many thanks to the support of National Science Foundation of China. Many thanks to Tianjin University and my research group. And this is my teacher, Yanyan Wang. Thank you very much for your guidance and help. And this is me, Xiaoyu. And thank all of you for the listening.